Ever feel like your skin just isn't as firm as it used to be? Like gravity is winning the war? Plus, OMG the texture. It's light and fluffy, absorbs super quick, and doesn't leave you feeling all greasy. Big win.
Want to make serious money online by promoting trending products without filming, hiring actors, or even writing scripts? What if I told you AI can do all the heavy lifting? We're going to go step by step, from finding a trending product to transforming it into a fully animated AI product avatar video. And then, yes, I'll show you exactly how you can make real money from that video using affiliate marketing. No guesswork, no fluff, just a straight-up strategy you can copy and use today. And hey, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell. All right, let's get into it. Before we can make a product video or avatar, we need a winning product and already proven to get attention online. So here's how to find one, super quick. Go to Google and type Amazon movers and shakers. Click on the first link you see. It'll take you straight to Amazon's 24-hour trending product tracker. This page is gold. It shows you the top rising products in every category, from home and kitchen to toys, electronics, even beauty. For this example, I'm going to choose the beauty and personal care category, but you can explore whichever niche speaks to you. Scroll through the list and pick a product that stands out. It could be a facial roller, a trending hair serum, a massager, anything that looks cool and catches attention. The product is $88. Now imagine 2,000 people buy through your link. That's $176,000 in sales. But hold on, what you're about to hear next will shock you. At a mere 3% commission, you pocket $5,280.50. Pure profit. No inventory, no filming, no script writing. This is crazy, right? Once you've chosen your product, click on the product image. Right-click and save the image to your computer. We're going to use this image to generate our AI product avatar in the next step. Now, here's where it gets exciting. We're going to turn that product image into a talking AI avatar, complete with script, voiceover, and everything for a viral promo video. To do this, we're using a tool called TopView AI. The link is right below in the description. Go ahead and click on that, and it'll take you to the dashboard. Once you're inside TopView AI, here's what to do. Click on the product avatar feature. You'll now see a library of over 100 AI avatars, and trust me, they look incredibly realistic. Pick the avatar that best fits your brand or product vibe, and once you've selected one, click on it to begin. Now upload the product image you saved earlier. You can resize it, reposition it, rotate, or tilt it for a more dynamic look. Once everything looks perfect, go ahead and hit confirm. TopView will now generate 3 sample avatar videos with your product featured. If you're not thrilled with the results, just click regenerate and get 3 new ones instantly. In my case, I'm happy with the first one. So I'm going to go ahead and click image to video avatar. Boom, your product avatar is now alive, talking, selling, looking good. Now, save your avatar. It gets added to your personal collection inside TopView.
I'm TopView Product Avatar. I can hold your product with just one image. You no longer have to spend a lot of time and money searching for real models to showcase your products. Use TopView Product Avatar.
Now we're going to build an actual product video around this avatar. You've got 2 options here. You can either write your own script or upload an audio file. You can let AI generate the entire video. Script, voiceover, visuals, all of it. Let's go the AI route to keep it efficient. On the TopView AI dashboard, go back to your Amazon product page. Copy the product URL. Just press Ctrl+C. Now, come back into TopView and paste that link in the video creation section. Here's the magic part. TopView's AI is trained on millions of viral videos, and it will automatically identify the product name, find and suggest viral clips or images related to it. Write a compelling script using GPT-4. even suggest video formats based on where you're publishing. Amazon, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, all covered. Click Create Video, and let the AI analyze your URL. You'll see a pop-up window with a curated list of media, clips, and images. You can uncheck anything you don't like, but honestly, I recommend keeping most of them selected. The AI knows what performs. Want to add more? You can upload your own images, add your logo, or even generate new visuals with AI right from inside the tool. You can also edit the tone of the script, make it casual, professional, fun, or even urgent. Choose your target audience, video length, and voiceover style. You get full control. Now, for the aspect ratio, I'm choosing 9:16, which is perfect for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Reels. Choose a language. TopView supports over 20 languages.
Welcome to TopView AI, the ultimate AI-powered video editing platform that revolutionizes the way you create compelling videos.
Welcome to
TopView AI, the ultimate AI-powered video editing platform.
And hit Generate Video. And now, let the AI do its thing. In just a minute, you'll have a complete high-quality product video, ready to publish, share, and promote. The AI will give you 3 different script options to choose from. Once you find the script that fits your needs, you can customize it by clicking on the Edit button. This is where you can customize it by clicking on the editing dashboard, making it easy for you to adjust anything you want. If there's a clip you're not happy with, just click on the icon and swap it out with something else that works better for your video. To change how the avatar is shown, just click on the avatar icon. By clicking the A icon, you can also customize the subtitles, change their style, position, size, and height so they match the vibe of your video perfectly. Additionally, you can add transitions between scenes by clicking the transition icon to make the flow smoother. One last thing to note, lip syncing will be perfected when you export your video, but you can preview it beforehand to make sure everything is synced correctly. When you're happy with all your edits, simply hit the export button. And your final result will be ready.
Ever feel like your skin just isn't as firm as it used to be? Like gravity is winning the war? What if I told you you could literally fight back while you sleep? Enter the Maylee's Get Dreamy Overnight Toning Whip. This stuff is seriously a game changer. You just slather it on before bed and let it do its thing. OMG the texture. It's light and fluffy, absorbs super quick, and doesn't leave you feeling all greasy. If you're struggling with loose skin, you need this in your life. Like yesterday. Click the link below to get yours. Don't wait, limited quantities.
Okay, let's talk about turning this into actual income. Here's how. Sign up for Amazon's affiliate program. Just go to Google and search Amazon affiliate. Click the first link and sign up. It's free and super quick. Once you're registered, head back to your product's Amazon
Every
page.
single time someone clicks
You'll
your
now
link and
see a
buys the
panel
product,
at the top
you
with
earn
a
a
Get
commission.
Link button. Click that and copy your unique affiliate link.
For this product, Amazon pays around 10%, but with high volume, those earnings add up quickly.
Now, take the product video we just created and upload it to TikTok, Instagram Reels, Pinterest, or YouTube Shorts. Add your affiliate link in the caption or your bio.
Now, here's the kicker. Every single time someone clicks your link and buys the product, you earn a commission. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.